So hi guys, it's me again, JB Rose, singing Vegan Mum. I'm getting you prepared for our 7-day sugar-free challenge, which starts on Monday the 21st of October. We've already talked about using cider vinegar to dampen down our cravings. I have another tip, and that is cinnamon. So again, similar to the white wine vinegar, put a couple of tablespoons of cinnamon in a big bottle of water, sip, 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 sip. And then again, it will just dampen your cravings. So when the smell of sugar and buns go past you, you won't want it. You'll be fine. You'll be like, no, I'm all right, thank you. Oh, you're saying no to biscuits. Yeah, you're saying no to biscuits because you have prepared yourself, and you've prepared yourself with cinnamon and some vinegar. So here's another tip before we start our 7-day sugar-free challenge, which starts on Monday, the 21st of October. We're going to do it, guys. We are going to do this.